everyone, this is Shagun Malik. You're watching Inside DU, and in today's video, we are comparing BA Honours with BA Program. I will give you a basic overview of both these courses, and then we will discuss some important points like the fee structure, the subjects you will be studying in, top colleges catering these courses, and finally, we will answer the ultimate question, which one should you choose? So make sure you stay with me till the end. And now, without any further ado, let's begin our discussion. So guys, now right back at the screen, and we will begin with a basic overview of both these courses. So starting off with BA Program. So BA Program is a course which covers aspects of arts broadly with all the basic subjects taught in the course curriculum. And the second point is that no specializations. So BA Program is a course in which you study two subjects without specializing in one. There are some colleges which have a predefined combination, while there are some colleges in Delhi University that will allow you to personalize your combination. If we talk about BA Honours, in BA Honours, a student specializes in only one subject of interest, such as history, English, pol science, psychology, anthropology, economics, geography, etc. So BA Honours is a specialization degree wherein you specialize in a particular subject. But having said that, it doesn't imply that you're going to study only one subject throughout your graduation. So that takes us to our next slide, that is subjects. So both under BA Program and BA Honours, you will be studying a total of 4 subjects. Let's explore them in detail. So under BA Program, you have paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 and paper 2, they will be of discipline 1 and discipline 2 respectively. Now, what are these discipline subjects? For example, you chose history and pol science under BA Program. So history will be your discipline 1 and pol science will be your discipline 2. So paper 1 will be of history, paper 2 will be of pol science. Next, we have a modern Indian language, and finally AECC, which is an ability enhancement course. In AECC, you will have 2 subjects, English and EVS. For one semester, you'll be studying English, and for the other semester, you'll be studying EVS. On the other hand, if we talk about BA Honours, there are a total of 4 subjects, which includes paper 1 and paper 2. This time, paper 1 and paper 2, they will be of the same discipline. So if you are having your course as BA Honours in mathematics, so paper 1 and paper 2 will be mathematics. Then there is a generic elective. Generic elective is a subject that you study along with your main subject and you have freedom to choose it. So if you are pursuing BA Honours, you can choose any subject as your GE. It can be economics, it can be physics, it can be English, or it can be any subject of your choice. So guys, these are the subjects that you'll be studying in your first year. But in the second year, you will be introduced with all the subjects with some minor changes. For example, skill enhancement courses will be introduced and certain other changes will be there. But this is the basic outline. Further moving on to the fee structure. If we talk about the fee structure, guys, it is very economical. For BA Program, it will lie in the range of 10,000 to 60,000 rupees. And for BA Honours, it will be fluctuating in the range of 20,000 to 80,000 rupees. Fee also varies from college to college. So if we compare a leading North Campus college with an average college, so definitely the North Campus college will have a greater fee. But having said that, the fee is very reasonable for both the courses. And now some of the top colleges which imparts BA Program and BA Honours. So moving on with BA Program, some of the colleges which are known for providing a quality BA Program course are Miranda House, Lady Shri Ram College, Hindu College, Ramjas College, Gargi College, and Venkateshwara College. For BA Honours, we have Miranda House, Lady Shri Ram College, Hindu College, St. Stephen's College, Hansraj College, and IP College for Women. There are a lot of colleges in Delhi University which are offering BA Program and BA Honours. These are just a handful of courses. So we can say that there are a lot of college options on the list. But the ultimate question, that which one should you choose? BA Program or BA Honours? So let us see. In BA Program, this course provides a base for all the subjects if one is aspiring for UPSC and other government exams. So if you're somebody who is preparing for UPSC, BA Program can be a good fit for you because you get a chance to build a base in both the subjects. On the other hand, BA Honours is one of the most sought after courses with an amalgamation of practical and theoretical knowledge in one subject. So if you're somebody who want to specialize in a particular subject and you're concerned about gaining the practical and theoretical knowledge on a particular subject, then BA Honours will be the right fit for you. So concludingly, we can say that both these courses, they offer a plethora of opportunities, but it all boils down to your interest and to your aspirations. But we can say that in case you could not get BA honors, BA program is not a bad option at all. You can definitely experiment with it. Now, the final conclusion based upon what we discussed today. So, the basic difference between them is that in BA Honors, one studies a particular specialization, and in BA, one has no specializations to study. You choose a combination of two subjects. So, for example, in BA program, you have history and pol science as your subjects. So, when you go to pursue your masters, you can either do your masters in history or you can do in your pol science. But if you have studied BA Honors Mathematics, you will be confined to pursue your MA only in mathematics until and unless you have not studied the same generic elective for all your semesters. And now the second point is that duration for both the courses is 3 years. The eligibility is same, the duration is same, and both these courses offer almost the same opportunities. And finally, DU receives most number of applications for BA program. BA program is a very popular course among DU aspirants. So like this, we have come to the end of the discussion. I hope this video was helpful. But if you still have any doubts, you can drop them down in the comment section, or you can also connect with me on Telegram. You will find the link in description box. If you like this video, give this video a big fat thumbs up, share it as much as you can, and subscribe to this channel. So yeah, this was all from my side. Once again, this is me, Shagun, signing off for the day. See ya. Bye-bye.